Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Because as people don't come aside from media setting after that their international match where they play against France, where they score goal. So they call the ask Baba say, what's it be in focus for Arsenal? Say, I ain't Arsenal career go be, what's it go up at the end of the season? You know, whether I go move, all those kind of questions. So Baba can come aside, call the talk, say, in focus right now. I'm making just help Arsenal enter the Champions League because now that one be their major targets. Get me just follow them play, make sure say they achieve their goal so that anytime the coach call them say, okay, so person don't get injured or you're coming side, come help them deputize. Say you don't go waste time to come assist the coach, run the plan. Say then at the end of the summer, after everything done, they settle, they don't know where they go end. Then you can think about in future. Say like this. So you know they focus on the future. Now Arsenal they focus on. So later you go know where they go. Whether you go come up for Arsenal, or whether you go stay at the end of the season, you go know. Amari they willing to listen to offer for Asensio if the guy no accepts their contract extension because they try to extend the guy contract but the guy don't they reluctant, you know they give them listening ears. So they talk to if the guy don't say no one do, maintain them on time so that they go fit place am for market, make people come buy am. And the guy said no cost, that kind 30 million, I them define. So anybody if you offer them 30 million pounds, the person go easily carry am. So we never know Asensio plan because normal nobody they like to stay for Benjamin. And this why we say Mbappe go still enter there. Mbappe na flank they play now, so it go dey more troublesome for that Asensio. So Asensio go don dey use him tongue dey count it say it go make sense. Say make I find my square root now before all these superstars come because if them come the Benjamin go come long like mad, so it go make sense make him move. I know say before in the past Arsenal be the reason this guy Asensio say they won't sign him. So now if you say Real Madrid don dey willing to listen to offer because it is more likely say the guy go leave. I never know whether they will go back for the guy because this guy wants to make a like and say in the only shine for big matches and for outside the guy get one kind of bullet shot in the wife he had the garden. You get the Arsenal players, you hardly see them doing all those kind of things. Well, I don't say we don't get bench, we feel they sign all these guys. At least we could see some kind of names for our Benjamin. That's my own take. I don't know what you think about this Asensio matter. She will go for him. I'm more just fashion. On my monitoring spirit today, they call the Mirror. Don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal don't contact Lautaro Martinez agents over a move to Arsenal because you know say the guy they won't sell him, they're willing to selling him because Paulo Dybala of Juventus they move for free at the end of the summer. It's going to be a free agent. Juventus don't announce him. So Inter Milan might be the likely and the favorite destination for Paulo Dybala because they are the new Italian heavyweights. Even though Juventus don't sign Vlahovic, everybody thinks that one will spot them into contending for the Scudetto or winning anyhow. They still a struggle. That's just the truth of the matter. Even though Vlahovic and Morata did it, so now Dybala talking no extend his own contract. So now Inter Milan are the likely destination, and now because Inter Milan won't collect the guy, now Inter they willing to offload Lautaro Martinez to offset their books because that was the major reason they sold Lukaku to Chelsea because they get debts like mad. You get so they won't reduce their debts. So that's why they sell Lukaku. Now they want to sell Lautaro Martinez. And Arsenal said they're really interested in the guy. Last season the guy scored 17 goals in no competition when they play with Lukaku. This season he scored like 14 goals in 27 matches. So the guy said a prolific goal scorer. Everybody don't see that one. For those who they feel say maybe you know go feel acclimatized to English football. This guy scored a screamer against Liverpool when they play for Champions League. They beat Liverpool at Liverpool home Anfield. They beat them 1-0. You get, so that's why they don't qualify because that's Liverpool said beat them 2-0 for their own San Siro. So that's why them come jam. So the guy, I just love the guy in Argentina. He plays very well. So Arsenal said they really say okay, they go fit collect this guy and it will cost 58 million pounds. That what they will take all that time. I don't believe Arsenal the reason the guy, Arsenal and Atletico Madrid, that then be the two clubs where they really say they want carry the guy. Though now Arsenal don't first contact the agents, let them say okay, alpha, I want to collect this in a nigga. So I go be now. How would they reason the matter? In Atletico Madrid now never do it in Arsenal. So maybe after Arsenal finish, Atletico say will carry their own proposal, go say almost sell our proposal. You know say now will be the Liga champion, this and that, not this kind of level. So we never know at the end of the summer, but I know say the guy there for part of our striking shopping list. Just imagine next season, so don't get that kind of Lautaro Martinez, don't get Darwin Núñez as first choice and second choice striker. Man, scatter anybody. About Gareth Southgate and Ian Wright don't come outside the defend Ben White for that Switzerland goal. You know, say England beat Switzerland 2-1 for their last match when they play for international setting. So many people can blame Ben White for this goal where Switzerland score. Say Shaqiri cross the ball, so Ben White no react on time, or they for a good position with their own striker, Switzerland striker can knock the ball. So people dey blame am. So Ian Wright and Gareth Southgate on the talk say Ben White originally they no draft am for the England setup. Na because John Stones of Man City can't get injury. That one can't come out. That's why they can't draft am emergency. Say, oh yeah, come. You know to do training, you get. And you say when you are playing with the different players, that bonding, dey there, understand their movements, you get all those kinds of things. It really affected him. So that's why they can't concede one goal. So those way they play, maybe they cut him some slack, you get. Then the guy is a super defender. Maybe today when they go play Ivory Coast, we'll see how Ben White will do because they don't send John Stones to making the go out. So they needed for the camp again because the guy nowhere making the go out. So today we'll watch England versus Ivory Coast. We'll see how our super player go play. Oh my God, report when they come outside when they talk say Thomas Partey now get the third best dribble success rates for Europe's top 5 leagues. I said this guy don't attempt 40 dribbles, though they don't tell us how many incomplete successfully, but he has attempted 40 this season and his success rates they very high. That is one thing we make many people they proud of him. Oh, Mr. They proud of the guy. Not too long ago, this guy rates himself, I think it was 4/10. Or so he rates himself, say he knows no play where this is all of a sudden that public rating when he do for himself where everybody can see him, can spawn him, as in the guy just transformed this season. He's one of the informed players of Arsenal because the guy now a midfield maestro. The guy now they control that our midfield area. Let everybody know say, oh more, no passing, no movement for here. I go train you down. So that's why we say we glad with the guy, and I'm very happy for this kind of statistics when they come out for him. Not just England, the top 5 league, which means German league, French league, La Liga, everywhere. I'm very proud of him. On my mandatory spiritual they call Praise Sports. Don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Harry Maguire. When I first see this news, I first check out. I said this news, it just not be fake news because though not interested, not be say we won't buy, I'm not interested. But when I saw it, I really laughed to that because it was very funny. What thing would make Arsenal out of all the defenders in the world? Now a shit packer where people wait for public ridicule, where people they laugh. Now we come go say we won't go carry. Person don't feel even play like Gabriel Magalhaes. He's not bullish now. He's not dominant now. People be say that they bully him as he be. The guy is not just skillful. Nothing. Make sure they don't even try him. Why just take and say a joke of the year? Maybe that April Fool the one for us. For media setting, they call they ask Aaron Ramsdale say this Arsenal captain band. Say if they give you go feel excel like you go need them, you go feel run am. So Baba Contour say say as him dey like this now say him go like to take the captain band responsibility. But last it depends on the manager because for the team now get many people they feel say him fit take am and himself know say him fit take am, him go run am. Say him go even like to take am again. But for the team they get many leadership quality people. People say if they give them they go run am easily, no cap. See Lacazette now, the guy will run am normal. You get Thierry go run am normal. Even Gabriel Magalhaes, people they will say they collect am a normal level for them. Shaka not collect am before, so no be big deal. But if they give am, so he go be very proud of that badge and he will run am nice and neat. On my mandatory spiritual that they call Daily Mail, self don't come outside. They let us know say Schmeichel will be the keeper of Leicester City. Say the guy don't carry Lacazette to go report am to the captain meeting. No say EPL all the captain they get meeting where they do. Say he can't go report am there. I know whether they go report am to the referee body where they call PGMOL, na acronym. Say he go report them there. Say that penalty where Lacazette score when Arsenal play Leicester City. Say it no make sense. Say it was an illegal penalty. Say why Lacazette go run, can't stop. Don't score him. That is why after Lacazette score him, if you notice, when I remember, we say Schmeichel run, go with the referee. Say, Papa, what's it be all this one? Why this guy go run the stop? Now which level stand? You know what? Tell me plan again. So the referee say, okay, go back, Joe, go sleep, Joe. So you got the report. So now, as in the report finish, PGMOL director, where they call Adam Gale, come and say, I explain to them, say that run where the guy run, say it is technically legal. Get players are allowed to run and stutter. They can stutter in their movement and play. So now you go lose guard. If you don't go before him play, don't go fall down and then go wipe him. So that is why the guy they complain because like I said first stutter. Then the guy don't go down like I go hang down for off. So to say maybe one go right, like I go hang down for left. So that's the bone of contention, but they don't clear in down. So let them know say, don't let sleeping dogs lie. I beg. It don't happen. Like I said, they legally right. Almost still on the media setting, they come dey ask people say why be say for international duty say him dey play well, when e come to Arsenal he no dey play well, say wetin dey sup, why e be like that? So people come dey talk say almost say him no understand o, say because even go international setting dey play very well, like fantastically well, but anytime when come Arsenal like this he no dey play, and one of the things be say lack of playing time follow dey affect him confidence. So people come dey tell the interview people say Arteta don reason am one on one, say the reason wey make I no dey play you na because dem no dey change winning side, you get, na normal level. As a football manager wey you don get your first 11, if that first 11 dey win consis ten tly, like they are more likely to win when they are complete without you, it is hard to change them unless maybe somebody gets injured. That is when they go draft you, and that is what happen. If you remember in the past, Arteta dey do some kind many experiments dey find in first 11. Many people dey complain, dey criticize Arteta, say how many matches you don play, you never get your first 11. Yeah. Now Baba don get him first 11, and once he don get am, some people will be left out na normal level. E dey happen for many clubs, no be just Arsenal, and it is unfortunate for Pepe say him dey left out, and as he no dey play more games, he go dey lose confidence. I come dey pity for the guy as I dey watch the level wey the guy dey talk about. I come dey pity for am because this guy go go international level, dey play very well. As in, I no come understand. Even Ivory Coast self coach wey dem dey call Patrice Beaumeville come outside come dey talk say him dey surprised say Pepe no dey play for Arsenal. So when he take this Ivory Coast job, one of the first players wey him go meet na be Pepe, say him travel go Arsenal go meet am because Pepe is an integral player of Ivory Coast. He's a key player. Anytime when you wear that jersey, the guy dey play fantastically well. Teams depend on am. He's a match winner. He dey change match. As in, but you can't be surprised say the guy dey for Arsenal, he dey for Benjamin, just dey languish, him career just dey die. He was once a prolific striker in Ligue 1 when he was playing for Lille, but ever since he come Arsenal, the prolific case just die. The thing just, as in myself, I just dey very confused. But who you go blame? The Ivory Coast coach when he talk say him na him be coach, he no go come dey blame Mikel Arteta wey be another team coach, say you know dey use am well, or maybe you no sabi use am, all those kind of things. Say he no just know how e go be. Well, na Pepe hand the day. That's why people talk say at the end of the summer he go sit down, cool down, come assess him stay for Arsenal, come know whether he go tell coach say make dem put transfer request for him head. You know, well, wish him all the best of luck. Nacho Monreal sef don come outside come dey talk say Ozil get many issues when the guy dey for Arsenal. I know say Nacho Monreal no be our player again, so na so e dey be. I know say many things wey dey happen for dressing room we no go know unless one player come outside come tell us. You get, after many years now, because Ozil now Fenerbahce don suspend am, say they get issue with one of the coaching staff members, so they suspend am indefinitely. So that's why Nacho Monreal now don come outside come dey talk say where he himself dey for Arsenal, say Ozil get many issues under Wenger. He had issues in the final stages of Wenger come comot, okay, Unai Emery come say okay, make him bring the guy come back, make am the leader. He was even the highest paid player in Arsenal that time. Still yet you come see say this guy no dey play up to expectation. Now he's the highest paid player, he's a superstar, but yet he doesn't have the required things wey they need for Arsenal to be a top player. But sell am go Benjamin. Arteta sef still come say okay, make I play revive this guy career, carry the guy come out. Come see the same thing, say this guy just dey chop money for nothing, you know dey track back, you know dey mark, you know dey do anything. Baba go back to Benjamin, say the guy get issues, and many players sef don't like am. That one sef fit be out of jealousy because he's the highest paid player, and dem know say he no dey perform up to expectation, he no dey do very well. How are you now the highest paid? No understand that kind of level. Just imagine as Saka dey earn £30,000 per week. Yet Saka go dey see some kind people dey earn 200. Okay, see Partey na 200. Go see some kind people dey earn 120. Chase Tavares come better pass Saka. No those kind thing na. Some kind people dey earn 120, 150. Saka dey earn 30. Evan Smith Rowe wey be say na our senior boy, he dey earn 40k per week. So you now to kind thing go say I'm you be say the thing dey depend on me, I carry the thing for my shoulder, I call dey earn 30. You be say who know you now? You wey say na Benjamin you dey dey. You come dey earn, see Pepe dey earn almost 100 and something. You say you dey earn, you know those kind of jealousy and envy. Na human being, na it's normal, it's supposed to happen. You get. So that's part of it. That's part of the thing wey happen to Auba. Make I just use stray bullets into the guy because the guy dey earn highest, and because he say the guy no dey perform up to par. You know all those kind of level dey happen. That's why I come say okay, man, I go for the Benjamins. That's so it just be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You see am. Click the thumbnail so that I go get all Arsenal updates as it drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your Tuesday. Na game out.